More than ever before, software defines how we experience the world. Businesses in every industry are seeking technology-driven innovation. They're investing heavily to build expertise in modern software development, digital transformation, and multi-cloud operations. We believe Pivotal is at the center of this revolution. We give our customers the agility to create new software faster than ever, and the platform to run at scale on any cloud. With this, they're building new products, inventing new business models, and growing revenue. We look beyond what we do for our customers to what they do for their customers. Working side by side with Pivotal, our customers have gone from months-long development cycles to releasing new products in weeks, and then delivering updates in days. And once they've learned to do that, they're empowered to do it again and again and again. That's the Pivotal way. Not just getting faster, but going fast forever. Hi, I'm Rob Mee, and I'm the CEO of Pivotal. We transform the way the world builds software by offering a cloud-native application platform, sometimes known as a PaaS, and differentiated services. Our fundamental advantage is our software platform, Pivotal Cloud Foundry, also known as PCF. PCF is multi-cloud. Enterprises use PCF to run applications on-premises, as well as in the public cloud. Nearly all of our customers use multiple clouds today. With PCF, we enable them to have a common substrate to run and operate any app or workload. We work across all the major public and private cloud platforms, including AWS, Azure, GCP, and VMware. We also offer a set of differentiated strategic services, which we call Pivotal Labs, that enables our customers to adopt agile software development practices. Our complementary PCF and Labs offerings enable organizations to effectively build cloud-native software and compete in today's business environment. There is a synergy between PCF and Labs. We've found that our customers who use Labs generally expand their PCF subscriptions more rapidly than those who don't work with Labs. When you hear our mission, a natural question comes up. Why does the world need to transform how it builds software? The way to answer that question begins with some historical background. The early mainframe age of computing was marked by significant technological advances, but the first applications were built by hardware experts. Development processes were minimal or non-existent. Over time, applications grew in complexity and importance. Some kind of rigor was needed in software engineering, which came to be modeled on other disciplines such as manufacturing and civil engineering. A so-called waterfall model emerged in which design and architecture were elaborated prior to coding in an attempt to limit the cost of subsequent change. In the client-server age, the focus was on locking down architecture and opposing change in an effort to deal with increasing complexity. Middleware emerged to manage these distributed, pre-planned architectures. So what's wrong with figuring everything out in advance and then just building it? So what if it takes a couple of years? Why not just put the smartest people on the design up front and everything should work out fine, right? Unfortunately not. Large, complex systems are designed in advance and built, often without validating that the assumptions involved in such complex decision-making are true. We need a more scientific method of software development, one based on hypothesis and experiment. Welcome to the age of cloud. The age of cloud computing is different. Cloud brings auto-scaling, resiliency, high availability, self-healing, and low-cost infrastructure. This has allowed software pioneers to offer software as a subscription and infrastructure as a service. Maximizing the value of this infrastructure requires a software development process that is agile, offering a fast and iterative development process that leverages the agility of the cloud. It also requires rich infrastructure management that abstracts or removes complexity and automates the operation of cloud infrastructure. Pivotal is democratizing the new architectures for everyone. We've been at the forefront of agile software development, working with some of the largest technology companies today on building out their development processes. We've also learned that pervasive automation aimed at developer productivity can deliver a significant reduction in the cost and difficulty of operating the platform. It can provide orders of magnitude increases in IT operator efficiency and dramatically reduce the number of operators needed to plan, run, and manage systems. Achieving this result often necessitates significant organizational change with new methodologies that need to be embraced. Applications require a platform so that they can all be run efficiently and consistently. To run continuous deployment, integration, and development, you need tools that improve developer and operator productivity. Above that, you need a process that enables software development. Paramount is a culture that embraces change, cloud technologies, and agile development processes. This is what Pivotal offers. Pivotal Cloud Foundry is a cloud-native application platform that enables developers to create and deploy software rapidly, and IT operations personnel to efficiently manage their infrastructure using the same software-enabled approaches as hyperscalers like Google. For some customers, we augment our platform with a set of strategic services that we call Pivotal Labs. Labs enables companies of all sizes to adopt software development techniques that are agile. We partner with our customers so that they can become more like cloud-native companies in their software development. We've had tremendous success over the last few years across industries, especially with large enterprises in the Fortune 500. Over the past 4 years, we've grown from having 0 to now more than 300 subscription customers. We believe that every company in every industry needs to become digital to compete, and the largest ones who are doing it at scale build the most software and have the most complex IT challenges. And while we're working with all of these enterprises transitioning to an era in which every company is a software company, we're also working with the technology companies that are attempting to disrupt the incumbents. As a result of the outcomes our customers are achieving with PCF and Labs, many are significantly expanding their subscriptions with us over time. Our customers have adopted PCF to unleash software developer productivity, reduce operational cost, and create an environment for innovation at scale. And they've produced some really exciting stories.
One thing that you learn in this industry very, very quickly is you can't do anything alone. And our transformation journey has depended on partners like Pivotal. In the last year and a half, we've seen an 86% reduction in P1 events, 67% reduction in time to resolve. We have seen really powerful performance that supports the quality of the product.
So about a year ago, we set out to really change how we're developing software. We needed a partner. And fortunately for us, we did have a relationship with Pivotal. So where are we now? We have 10% of our workloads on PCF. We've had 50 developers go through Pivotal Labs, and we're deploying at least weekly, where we were deploying monthly or quarterly before. Our developers have hope again.
You can imagine a company like Boeing, we weren't born digital. I knew that partnering with Pivotal was very important because they had a track record of helping companies like ours do this and transform. We've got 100 times faster infrastructure service delivery. We're seeing 6 times increase in asset utilization. We've got database service hosting time that used to be measured in months, and we're now measuring that in hours. So we're talking real, tangible results.
The business outcomes we're helping many customers achieve, transforming how they build and run software, are some of our biggest accomplishments. To explain more about the problems enterprises face and how they are solving them with Pivotal's help, let's hear from Ansi Fakhouri, our SVP of Cloud R&D at Pivotal.
As Rob said, we're here to transform how the world builds software, and it starts with a change in mindset and culture. We know that building software is different than other human endeavors. Here's how. Think about building a bridge. It takes years of design, planning, construction, and investment. In the beginning, the costs of architects and engineers are modest. During construction, however, costs rise astronomically as concrete is poured and steel is put in place. And all that time, as millions of dollars are being invested in the bridge, it has no value. Only when it's complete and open to the public does it deliver on its promised value. That gap between cost and value represents huge risk. And that traditional mindset, the idea that enterprises must take huge upfront financial risks to build projects that only reveal their value upon completion, was infused into the world of software development. And so lengthy, inefficient waterfall development processes were evolved in an attempt to manage these risks. But software should be different. By its malleable nature, software has 2 beautiful and unique properties: low cost of change and low cost to distribute. But all too frequently in the world of enterprise software, the bridge-building mindset persists and endures. At Pivotal, we know there's a better way. And that better way entails both technology, PCF, and process, Labs. Through Pivotal Labs, we bring business stakeholders, engineers, designers, and product managers together to form balanced teams that work in unison and orient around rapidly iterating and delivering value to their customers. Our ultimate goal is to transform our enterprise customers into learning organizations that rapidly explore their respective markets with innovative ideas. In this way, we help our customers lower the cost of change and turn bridge building cultures into software building cultures. But this is only half of the story. What about the cost of distribution? Sadly, here too, the situation is dire. In the world of the enterprise, the task of distributing software falls to an army of operations teams. These operators are understandably overwhelmed, and as a consequence, instead of enabling developers to rapidly deliver software, they become a bottleneck. And so the cost of distribution, the crucial act of actually shipping changes to production, can be quite high. At Pivotal, we've learned that the only way to transform enterprises is to solve the operators' problems too. We do this through a technology platform we call Pivotal Cloud Foundry, a powerful, automated, multi-tenant platform that enables operator efficiency while fully empowering development teams to focus on rapid software iteration. For the all-important high-productivity application workloads, PCF provides the Pivotal Application Service, or PAS. With PAS, our mantra for the developer is simple. Here is my source code. Run it on the cloud for me. I do not care how. With a single command, CF push, PAS takes a developer's latest changes, no matter what programming language they're using, and within seconds have them running in a production environment. PAS automatically manages the application's dependencies and the app's operating system. It allocates resources for the app and isolates it from other tenants on the platform. It handles networking, telemetry, security, and application resiliency, even in the face of infrastructure failure and constantly changing application load. We believe this degree of automation is unprecedented and delivers significant improvements to operational efficiencies. In fact, our customers have derived great value not just in the domain of cloud-native workloads, they've also seen substantial value in bringing their legacy workloads to our modern cloud platform. Of course, there's more to PCF than the Pivotal Application Service. For more complicated container workloads, PCF provides the Pivotal Container Service, PKS, powered by Kubernetes. For function workloads, we're working to bring the Pivotal Function Service, PFS, our serverless platform, to PCF. And for data workloads, PCF provides the Pivotal Marketplace, featuring a host of first and third-party data services to fulfill the development team's data needs. All of these combine in one unified, secure platform that gives development teams all they need to focus on rapidly delivering value. In this way, PCF promises to turn the human developer-operator interface, an interface rife with conflict and delay, into an automated one. But PCF can only fulfill this promise if it satisfies the stringent needs of the operator. We do this with BOSH. BOSH is at the heart of PCF. It is the key to PCF's operational efficiency. With BOSH, a small team of operators can manage all the infrastructure necessary to run thousands of applications for thousands of developers. BOSH enables our customers to deploy on day one, while also servicing their needs to manage and update the platform on day 2 and beyond. If a portion of the underlying cloud infrastructure fails, BOSH will notice and immediately recover the system with no downtime. BOSH makes it possible to upgrade the entire platform with a single command and no downtime. And BOSH ships with an embedded operating system, so when a security vulnerability such as Meltdown or Spectre emerges, Pivotal ships a new version of the embedded OS that patches all running software with a single command and no downtime. We believe this strong security posture and level of automation is unprecedented. But perhaps most impressive, the same BOSH abstraction runs both on-premises and across all major public clouds. This multi-cloud promise enables our customers to navigate their own cloud journeys at their own pace with minimal cloud lock-in. And so, with Pivotal's technology and process combined, we solve the cost of change and cost of distribution problems for our enterprise customers. We help them transform from bridge building cultures to software building cultures that successfully embrace rapid iteration. And we've shown time and time again across most major industry verticals that we can be our customers' trusted partner, enabling them to become learning organizations that can go fast forever.
Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Pivotal. I hope you take away that Pivotal is a platform company, helping enterprises of all sizes to make software development and IT operations a strategic advantage while embracing the cloud. Our growth is driven by our powerful cloud platform, PCF, and is accelerated by strategic services. This combination is how we are transforming how the world builds software.